Today I would like to introduce the topic of using mesenchymal stem cells in treating heart failure. And before we start the presentation, I would like to introduce my team. We have 3 members and we are second-year students from GIệnh I Medical School. In this presentation, we will talk about why we choose this topic, what are mesenchymal stem cells, and what are their properties that make them able to alleviate heart failure condition. So first, heart failure is very popular nowadays, as you can see by the prevalence rate. And we have at least 9 million people in this continent and more than 26 million people in the world suffering from heart failure. So this condition poses a health burden and an economic burden for the world, and therefore it presents an exigency to find out a novel approach to alleviate this condition. Furthermore, the severity of heart failure is quite terrifying. Patients with stage C and D heart failure suffer from a very low survival rate and a very poor prognosis, as indicated by high BNP concentration. And in the course of seeking new therapy for heart failure, we understand that the pathophysiology of heart failure include a process of ventricular remodeling. And the 3 main consequences of ventricular remodeling is cardiac apoptosis, cardiac fibrosis, and cardiac hypertrophy. So we will see how mesenchymal stem cells can affect those 3 consequences and then ameliorate condition of heart failure. So mesenchymal stem cells have been discovered for many years, and they can be derived from adipocytes, bone marrow, or human umbilical cord blood, and they can exert a variety of effects, among which the paracrine effect is significantly important for therapy. And as presented above, the condition of heart failure and the benefit of mesenchymal stem cell, we are seeking to learn more about the property of anti-apoptosis of mesenchymal stem cells, its ability to reduce fibrosis, and lastly, the MSC ability to enhance cardiomyocyte proliferation and enhance angiogenesis, which is to form new blood vessels that help the heart accommodate the hypertrophy. So those are the main purpose, the main objective that we have for this program, and thank you for listening.